Leandra bought an aquarium that is a right rectangular prism. So I would sketch a right rectangular prism. I have this tool, but you can sketch it on your own. And the inside dimensions of the aquarium are 90 centimeters long by 48 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters deep. She plans to put water in the aquarium before purchasing any pet fish. How many liters of water does she need to put in the aquarium so that the water level is 5 centimeters below the top? So she's leaving 5 centimeters here for extra space. And remember that 1 liter is 1,000 centimeters cubed. To find volume, we use the base area times the height. In this one, the base area will be 90 times 48 because we have a base that's a rectangle, and we want to fill in this section here for the base area. The height of the aquarium is going to depend on how much water we want to put in there. And she said that she wanted to leave 5 centimeters of room at the top. So if we want 5 centimeters of room at the top, but the whole height is 60, we have to subtract. 60 minus 5 is 55. So the height of the water, not with the highlighter, the height of the water is going to be 55. And now we just have to multiply all that out. And if you want to use a calculator, you may. This gives us a volume of 237,600 centimeters cubed. But we want it to be in liters. So to convert it to liters, we're going to divide by 1,000. And that just moves the decimal 3 spots because there are 3 zeros in 1,000. And that gives you 237.6 liters.